What's good, fam? It's your boy Gels, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're gonna talk about after you record, mix, master, what's the next steps of releasing your project or your song. Let's go.
Listen.
Like I said, family, in this video, we're gonna talk about what to do after you record, mix, and master your song or your album. A lot of people have a lot of music that's ready to release, that's done, but they don't know what to do next. So enough of me talking, let's head over to the computer and go over these steps. All right. So after you record, mix, and master a song or a project, what's next? Let's get into this. Once you've recorded, mixed, and mastered a song, there are several important steps to consider for the next phase. Number one, distribution. Decide how and where you want to release your music. You can choose to distribute it digitally through platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, or Bandcamp. Alternatively, you can opt for physical distribution by creating CDs or vinyl records. You could do all three, man. Release it digitally, have CDs and vinyl. Vinyl is very, very popular nowadays, so a lot of fans may want to opt in to buy a digital copy and also a vinyl or a CD just to have as like a collector's item. Number two, artwork and metadata. Prepare eye-catching artwork for your song or album cover. Ensure you have accurate metadata, including song titles, artist names, album information, and genre tags. This is important. This information is essential for organizing and promoting your music effectively. You gotta have that eye-catching artwork, man. I don't know how many times I'm scrolling on Apple Music and I just click on a genre and whatever album artwork catches my eye, I listen to it. I give the artist a shot, and I found a bunch of artists that way just by simply looking at the artwork and giving them a shot, man. So make sure you're taking the time to create eye-catching artwork. Number three, a release strategy. Plan your release strategy, including setting a release date and building anticipation for your music. Consider pre-release promotions such as sharing teasers or exclusive content with your fans to generate excitement. A release strategy is vital, man. You don't want to have a release date, you release the song, and then you don't know what you're gonna do next. You don't know what you're gonna do a couple weeks leading up to that release, a couple weeks after that release. Make sure you have some sort of release strategy or plan where you and your team can release this music effectively, but keep the fans engaged. Number four, promotion and marketing. Develop a marketing plan to promote your music. Utilize social media, your website, and email newsletters to create buzz around your release. Consider engaging with influencers, bloggers, and music publications to secure reviews or interviews. This one is big, man. You only can reach the fans that you know or that you put money behind. But if you reach out to influencers, bloggers, music publications, yeah, they may charge you, which is fine. I mean, they got to eat too. But don't just pay for anybody. Pay for quality influencers. Pay for quality bloggers. Don't reach out to the country music influencer, the country music blogger if you're a hip-hop artist. Make these connections that make sense. And if they do charge you, man, pay the fee. It could be worth it in the end. Number five, music video or visual content. If you have the resources and creative vision, consider creating a music video or visual content to accompany your song. Visuals can enhance your music's impact and help attract more attention. Music videos and visual content, man, they are huge. But I'm not just talking about the music video where you may just be standing just standing still, recording yourself, sing or rap or do whatever kind of music you do. No, make engaging video content, quality content that maybe tells a story with the record that'll keep us fans wanting more. Put a little thought into it, and if you can't figure it out, maybe get with a video director that has great vision that can create a storyline, create a storyboard, and you guys create magic together. Number 6, performance opportunities. Explore opportunities to perform your music live. Reach out to local venues, bookers, and promoters to secure gigs or consider organizing your own shows. Live performances can help connect with your audience and gain new fans. Performance opportunities, live performances are huge. I know some of us may live in areas where the music scene isn't so popular, or they don't give independent artists a shot. Well, that's where your community and your fan base can really help, man. If you have a community, 5 or 6 artists, man, you guys have solid fan bases. You guys can put your money and your fan bases to get together and create your own show. So don't get discouraged by certain venues in your town or surrounding towns. They won't give you a shot. Create your own shot. Sometimes you have to. Analytics and feedback. Keep track of your music performance by utilizing analytics provided by digital platforms. Monitor streaming numbers, engagement metrics, and audience demographics to gain insights into your fan base. Additionally, encourage your listeners to provide feedback, which can help you refine your future releases. Analytics are big because, like I said, you could be an artist from Georgia, but the majority of your fans are in Baltimore, right? So instead of maybe you and your crew or you and some fellow artists getting together and creating a show in Georgia, the analytics may lead you to create that show in Baltimore because that's where all your fans are. You have to look at your analytics and follow your analytics. The analytics are gonna take you to exactly where the fans are. And feedback, man, feedback is big. Don't always look at it as feedback as someone hating on you or something like that. Sometimes, man, people generally want to see you get better. And what other way to help you get better, man, that's just to tell you. I'm going to tell you how to get better. You can't be offended by somebody telling you how to get better or what they think about your music or what they think you can do better. Remember, building an audience takes time and persistence. You got to keep going at this, man. You can't be off and on. You got to be persistent. Be consistent in your efforts and continue creating and releasing music regularly. Stay connected with your fans, engage with their feedback, and always seek ways to improve and grow as an artist. Yes, sir. Like I said, that was very valuable, man. A lot of people have a bunch of music ready to release to the world, but they don't know what to do next. If you found that ebook valuable, be sure to go to my website, mixedbygels.com, and download that thing, man. Share it with your friends. Share it with some people who you think will gain benefit from it, man. Hey, let's talk about it in the comments below. Did it help you? Do you have some other things that should be done when it's time to release music? Let's talk about that in the comments below. Let's just help each other grow, help each other get better, man. Hey, enough of me talking. If you found this video valuable, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video, man. Help me grow as I help you grow. Well, enough. It's your boy Gels, baby. I'm gone.